I'm Dr. Jill Althoff with Althoff Family Chiropractic here in Windsor, Colorado. Today I want to talk to you about how to survive a trip and not have severe back pain or stiffness afterwards. One of the first things that you should be doing is making sure that you have good lumbar support in your vehicle. If you don't, you can use a towel or possibly even a cushion back behind there to really help support that lower back. The other thing that you can do is make sure that you're actually moving your back. And although it looks silly, it works really well. Here's an example. One of the things that you can do while you're driving down the road is to make sure that you are tilting your pelvis back and forth. So you can rock your pelvis in and arch your back. And then repeat, rocking it in and arching your back. And although it looks silly, it's a great way to keep that spine loose. The other one is to bring your hip up to your rib cage. So squeezing that hip up to one side and then the other. And again, you look pretty silly, but as long as you're going down the highway, there's not going to be many people that are going to see you anyways. Another great thing that you should be doing is taking enough breaks. And I mean, realistically, I know that it's hard to take a break every hour, but that would be your best bet is to break every hour. And if you can't do that, at least when you do break, make sure that you are walking around your car a few times, kind of playing like Chinese fire drill by yourself, if you will. And then the other thing is to make sure that you're stretching. So I'm going to show you just a couple quick stretches that you can do on your bumper. You can just simply do a very easy stretch by simply putting your foot up on your bumper and leaning forward. This is going to help stretch out your buttocks and the back of your leg. Another great stretch, you can hold on to your vehicle and bring your leg up behind you. This is going to stretch the front of the legs. Of course, you can always do the bending down and trying to touch the toes, which is going to help stretch out that back. All of these are great stretches to be doing on that little pit stop that you make it hopefully every hour. Now, for all your trips coming up for the summer, make sure that you are, of course, being safe and wearing your safety belt and seat belt. And of course, make sure that you are taking the time to stretch your back while driving or while sitting in the car and being the passenger. Again, Dr. Jill Althoff with Althoff Family Chiropractic, where we do our best work behind your back.